You just wanted to start your PC, but instead you get hit with this big scary red box saying secure boot violation, invalid signature detected.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Don't panic, you haven't been hacked and your PC isn't dead. This is just means your system's UEFI firmware did a security check on your boot files and didn't recognize them. Welcome back. Today I am going to show you how exactly to bypass this error in both classic BIOS and modern BIOS step by step. So let's fix this. First up, if you have an older or classic keyboard only layout, restart your machine or device as soon as the screen lights up. Smash that setup key, usually F2, F10 or I can say F12 or the delete key. Welcome to the Aptio Setup Utility. First, use your arrow keys to go to boot menu or boot tab. Make sure your main drive like Windows Boot Manager is set as boot option number 1. Next, arrow over to the security tab, scroll down until you see the secure boot menu and hit enter.
Here I come. Here I come.
Right there, highlight secure boot, press enter and change it from enable to disable. We are almost done. Press F10 to save changes and reset, hit yes and watch the magic happen. Here you can see our classic Windows or I can say classic BIOS reset successfully and you can see the result. Now, what if you have a modern laptop like a Lenovo ThinkBook, Asus, ROG, Dell or whatever? With a mouse-friendly interface, restart your PC, tap F2 and you will land on this clean information page. Use your mouse to click on the security tab on the left-hand menu. Scroll until you find the secure boot option. Click the drop-down menu and change it to disable. That's literally it. Then exit, saving changes or just press F10, click yes to confirm. In the last, your system completely bypasses the signature check and boots straight into Windows. No more red screen of death. If PcomLap just save your PC, hit that subscribe button and drop a like. We solve frustrating tech problems every single week. Check the description to download the step-by-step PDF guide for this fix and follow our social media links to join PcomLab community. See you in the next one.